Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can reset your password on the Citibank Singapore. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you've made sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, on your web browser, type in www.citibank.com.sg and hit enter. After the home page of the Citibank opens up on your screen, on the right hand side of your screen you'll see a login to button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the login to button, a menu will pop up on your screen. On that menu, click on the Citibank Online option. After you click on the Citibank Online option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to click on the Forgot User ID or Password option. Once you click on the Forgot Password button, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your debit, ATM, credit card number here and then click on Continue. After you click on the Continue button, and if you have filled in this credential correctly, you'll be further guided to another page which will help you to reset your password on Citibank Singapore. I hope this video helped you to reset your password on the Citibank Singapore. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.